In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link downloadable files in Shopify. This is really useful if you want to share things like PDF guides, size charts, manuals, or any other digital resource directly from your product pages. By the end of this walkthrough, your customers will be able to click a simple text link and instantly open or download the file they need without you having to install any extra apps. Let's start inside your Shopify dashboard. Log into your Shopify admin the way you normally do. Once you're in, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click on Content. This section is where Shopify stores things like files, images, and other media you use across your store. Within Content, you'll see an option called Files. Go ahead and click on Files. This is your main library of uploads. If you haven't uploaded your PDF or downloadable file yet, this is where you'd add it. But for now, we'll assume the file is already there. Next to the file you want to make downloadable, look for a small link icon. Click that link icon. What this does is copy the direct URL of that file to your clipboard. This URL is what we're going to attach to a word or phrase on your product page so customers can click it. Now, in the left-hand menu, click on Products. This will open your full product list. Find and click on the specific product where you want to add this downloadable file. This takes you to the product editing screen. In the product description area, decide where you want the link to appear. It could be under the main description, in a download section, or next to some relevant text. Click and drag to highlight the word or phrase you want to turn into a link. For example, download sizing guide or view manual. With that text highlighted, open the link options in the editor, and in the field labeled Link To, paste the file link you copied earlier. Next, look for the drop-down labeled Open this link in. Choose the option A New Window. This is important because it keeps your store page open while the file opens in a separate tab, which is a better experience for your customers. Type in a clear link title, such as Sizing Guide or Product Manual, so it's obvious what the link does. When everything looks good, click Insert Link to apply it, and finally, click Save at the top or bottom of the product page. Your product now has a clickable link that opens your downloadable file in a new